I'm doing another video, and I'm a little tiny bit sick, and we're playing Kitchen Carnage Annoying Orange. And so the way to play this game is there are just like blenders, and you have to just throw the fruit in there. And as you can see, I was a little bit practicing, and that's squash. He just like smashes everything. And that orange, like right in the corner, um, he just says he will be saying stuff. And as you can see in the left top corner, you have time, and I'm leveled up to 2. And I'm just going to put as many as I can into there. Well, I could do the double amount, but that's too far. I have 9 seconds. Oh. Sorry guys, that's just an advertisement. I didn't actually, it just like shows every single time. So in my next videos you might see it if I'm playing a game. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, so I got 12 apples, 11 bananas, and 7 tomatoes. Yeah, I never got the. Leave in the comments if you know what that, uh, I don't know how to say. It looks kind of like a watermelon, but a different color. Say in the comments what kind of color. I mean, what type of melon is that fruit? And then there's 0 pineapple, 0 strawberries, and 0 corn knobs. Oops. Balloon Bob. Let's try this one. I never tried this before. I actually kind of like it. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, dang it. Life 3. Get it. Glenn does this, and why should we? Oh, that's a lot of balloons. It's you, dummy. Actually, I don't know what a strawberry daiquiri is. Oh, there goes the apple. Oh, so many balloons. I don't like strawberry. I mean raspberry. So rappy. There goes Carnob. Oh, that's a lot of balloons. Fire, 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 fire! Oh, dang it. Fire. Fire in the hole. First starts easy, then gets like so hard. Game over. I'm sorry for the advertisement. Whoa. So 49 got, yeah. That's not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Main menu. Let's buy a different one. Okay, we're doing endless. Endless. Oh. So tomato does 200. That thing does 400, 800, 1,000. I know. One. So then it's shake it, hang it, get the balloon. Ooh, that does 900. Ooh, what if I got it to 3? I'm gonna try. Oh, so close. Get it. Oh, get it. Get it. Yeah, 3,000. If I could just get it in there. If I could just get the core knob in the 3. Sorry, guys. So once the endless, when it's over, then yeah, I'll end this video. At the end of the endless game. Not that, but the endless game. Okay, just a bit more. Yeah, so the Doorknob does 1,000. So the next advertisement, I will just end the game there. There goes the corn knob. Or corn knob. I call it corn knob because it's on a knob. Or is it on a door? Get it? Corn knob, knob. Knob is on a door, or on a door. Corn knob. Get it on there. Oh, okay. Okay, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Goodbye.